So we need avocados. Well, only one thing comes to mind here. I am going to make a nice guacamole and mushroom toast today, and I'm going to show you how to make this. It's really simple, healthy, and easy to make. So to make the guacamole, I am using 1 avocado, half a tomato diced, about 1 tablespoon of chopped onions, 1 garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander, about 5 tablespoons of virgin olive oil, the juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, some salt. I've taken here some bread slices and about 1 cup of mushrooms. So first of all, I'm going to start by cutting the avocado. Just slide your knife all around, like so, and then twist. Now you can mash these with a fork if you want, but I am just going to blend everything together and I'm going to put them in the blender. So put in the sliced garlic. Then you're going to add the olive oil, and the lemon juice. Add about half a teaspoon of salt. Now you are going to blend this all together. So my guacamole is now ready. It's blended nicely. So just going to put this in a bowl. And to the guacamole now, I will be adding my chopped onions and tomatoes. And the coriander. Just need to mix. Okay, now I am heating up a pan, and on this you will be adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let that heat up. And then add your mushrooms in. Okay, you will be adding your oregano right now and pinch of salt. And mix it. So you want to caramelize those mushrooms before you turn the heat off, so just about 30 more seconds. So I've got all the elements ready here. I've toasted my bread and I've got the guacamole and the mushrooms. It's as easy as this. So all you need to do is just take a spoonful of the guacamole, spread it on the toasted bread, on top of the guacamole. And this is all ready. Really healthy, it's very easy to make. You can make this in 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. I'm now going to taste this. So just going to have this with my tea. You know, it's perfect for breakfast or even brunch. It's easy to make, it's super healthy. And now I am going to taste this. This is delicious. I can feel the nice taste of the lemon, the avocado, the crunchiness of the onions, and the softness of the tomatoes. It's really good. I hope you've enjoyed watching this episode. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I shall see you in my next video. So good.